In this video, I'm going to show how easy it is to create a job in Ace Quote. First thing to do is tap on the Jobs icon to get to the job screen, and then tap the plus button to add a job. Key in a job name, in this case, Mrs. Mills Cottage, and tap Save. To add items, tap the plus button, tap to add a curtain, and select a reference from the list. In this case, lounge. Enter the width, 72, and a length of 47. Select a product. In this case, I'm going to select pencil pleat. And then, I know I've not got the fabric already set up in this case, so I'm going to add it by tapping the plus button. Key in a fabric description, test green, which is a price of $19.99, a width of 54, and a vertical repeat of 25. Tap Save. This is a lined curtain, so tap lined, and then I'm going to select a lining from the list. I'm going to select satin ivory. So that's everything for this item set up. So I tap on Results. Everything looks good. So tap Save. Tap plus to add another item. In this case, it's going to be a valance. This is also for the lounge. Again, it's got a width of 72, a length of 10. The product is pitch pleat. As you can see, the fabric is defaulted to test green from the previous item. I'm going to leave that the same. This is also lined, and the lining is defaulted from to satin ivory, which I'm also going to leave the same. Now look at the results. That looks good. Tap Save. I'm now going to add an accessory. This is also for the lounge. And the accessory is 8 feet of track. And tap to save that. So now I've set up a curtain and a valance, selected in some track. I'm now going to duplicate the curtain because the lounge has got a rear window. I want this curtain to be exactly the same, except that the width is 98 and the length is 70. Everything else is the same. So just check the results. That looks good. Tap Save. And now duplicate the valance. The valance, also for the rear window. It has a width of 98 and a drop of 10. Everything else is the same. Look at the results. They all look good. So tap Save. So I've now set up all of the items that I want for this particular job, and I'll have a look at the reports that are available. I just tap on the icon at the bottom, look at the short estimate, rotate the phone, double tap, and you can see for each of the items the price of the item and the total price for the order. Tap Done, and now look at the detailed estimate. This adds information for each of the items. It adds the making charge, the fabric, and the lining. So you can see a breakdown of the price for each item, and the total price for the order. And then finally, have a look at the workroom sheet. The workroom sheet is all of the information that's needed to have the items made up at the workroom. And that is the job finished.